As riders, we understand the importance of good-fitting gear for the comfort and ultimate performance of the horse. Introducing the Buckle Defender Girth Buckle Guards. Made from 100% merino sheepskin for its therapeutic properties, the Buckle Defender is constructed to fit most English and dressage buckles with ease. Frustrated by buckle guards that twist, fall off, and are simply a pain to use, equestrian U-BRAID-IT founder Rebecca Morgan-Albertson designed the Buckle Defender for use with her own hand-tied mohair and alpaca girths. Every Buckle Defender is made and inspected in our shop in Santa Fe, New Mexico, ensuring a quality product for use with your own hand-tied dressage girths.